This strawberry sauce is made with only 3 ingredients and comes together quickly. Add the strawberry sauce to ice cream, plain cheesecake, strawberry shortcake, breakfast items, and many other baked goods. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Measure 3 cups of fresh or thawed frozen strawberries and cut and dice them into smaller pieces. Add the strawberries to a saucepan and add 5 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Stir the ingredients together, making sure everything is mixed in. Set the stove to a medium heat, leaving the saucepan uncovered until the mixture starts to bubble. Once bubbling, lower the heat to medium-low and let simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. If you would like a thicker sauce, continue to let simmer for another 5 to 15 minutes, but keep in mind that the sauce will thicken as it cools. Remove the sauce from the stove and let cool for about 30 minutes to an hour before using it. Store the strawberry sauce in the refrigerator for up to 1 week or freeze for up to 3 months in a freezer-safe container. If you liked this recipe, check out other homemade sauce recipes in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I will have some new recipes coming soon.